Hello there, Kyle's Garage viewers. Here we are on a special episode, episode 10. We made it into the double digits of the episodes. But yeah, this is a special one. We're going to be wrenching on the SVT Focus, which is pretty cool. We're going to get that running. And I'm just going to jump straight into that. But after all of that, we're going to do a reveal of the Bronco. Enjoy. Alright, so super disgusting discovery inside the Bronco after it's been sitting for the summer. Definitely a huffing cat living in here. Looks like cat hair to me. Yuck! Alright, the time has come for me to start this thing, so I'm going to put the battery on it and... Okay. Here we go. See. Oh, we got fuel pump. Sounds empty. Wait, that sounded like... Maybe there's some fuel in there. This thing has a lot of technical issues. Gotta fiddle with it a little more. I think I got it ready to go this time. This thing has no brakes either, so this is gonna be tricky. The clutch is crap. Not happy. Power steering doesn't work very good. I think a bungee cord might be tied up around the drive shaft. Well, when I'm wrong, I'm wrong. Pretty much thinking I'm just going to drive over that till it breaks. Alright, time to try to actually get this thing in the garage. Come on. She's in! Now I can finally work on this stinking thing. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed that episode. I had, such good feels on this episode here. I got the SVT Focus running, got to hear it again, parked it out back, and swapped places with the Bronco. Oh, so satisfying. I love my Bronco to death. So, there's going to be a lot of content, including the Bronco, coming up probably through the winter. But yeah. This is going to be awesome, and I hope you guys really enjoy the what's about to come with the Bronco. Hopefully everything goes really well. I know you can't see it that well, but there's an engine under here for it. I'm going to make a nice little episode probably coming up later telling exactly what I want to do with the Bronco, where it's going, where it's been from, maybe some stories. I have no idea. But until then, guys, take care, and I will see you next time.